What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set up and connect any Chinese smartwatch to phone. Now as you can see, I currently have different smartwatches from different brands on my table over here. I have the HryFine Smartwatch, the Laxafit, HiWatch Pro, Watch 10, Fitpro Smartwatch, and even other brands of smartwatch like the Fitpro Smartwatch that are not listed over here. Basically, I am going to guide you on how to properly set up and connect any of these smartwatches with your phone. The setup process for most of these smartwatches are quite similar, and I'm going to take you step by step so that you can properly connect and set up any of these smartwatches and get all of the interesting features that comes with your smartwatch. First things first, on your phone you want to make sure you turn on the Bluetooth, so make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Once this is done, you can now come over to your smartwatch. In this case, I'm going to be using this smartwatch over here as an example, and then you also want to make sure you turn on the Bluetooth of your smartwatch if your smartwatch actually has Bluetooth. If your smartwatch actually has Bluetooth, you should be able to find it from the settings of the smartwatch, or in some cases, once you just swipe up from the home of the smartwatch, you should be able to find the Bluetooth settings from over here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. But again, if your smartwatch does not have Bluetooth, you don't have to worry. What it means is that the Bluetooth of your own smartwatch is already turned on by default. Another thing you want to do, which is actually the most important thing, is to confirm the app that your smartwatch uses. Now, all of these smartwatches uses different smartwatch app, and you actually have to find out the app that the smartwatch uses. In most cases, on the list of apps on the smartwatch, you should be able to find a QR code from the app over here to confirm the app that your own smartwatch uses. However, sometimes you can actually find the app that the smartwatch uses from the paperwork that actually come with the smartwatch. Like this one over here uses the Fitpro Smartwatch app, which is actually one of the most popular apps when connecting any Chinese smartwatch with your phone. So go ahead and look for the QR code on your smartwatch to confirm the app that your own smartwatch uses. Once you scan the QR code and then proceed to open this up on the browser, you can literally see mine over here is actually the Fitpro Smartwatch app. If your own smartwatch uses a different smartwatch app like the HiWatch Pro, the HiWatch Ultra, the Laxafit, HryFine Smartwatch app, or any other smartwatch app, you don't have to worry. You just proceed to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store of your phone and make sure you download and install the app that your smartwatch uses. In my case, I will go ahead and download the Fitpro app by simply clicking on the Google option and then download the app directly from here. Once the app is downloaded and installed, you want to proceed to set it up, so open the app directly from here. And for most of these smartwatches app, the setup process is quite simple. Just proceed to give the app all of the permission it needs, and if your app actually requires you to sign into the app, go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID or Google account. So from over here, I'll just click on the agree button. Go ahead and give it the permission to use your location to search for nearby devices. So I'll just click on while using this app. And now that the app is fully set up, to connect my Chinese smartwatch over here to my phone, I'll just click on the settings tab or settings tab or devices tab, depending on whatever it is called on your own smartwatch app. Just go ahead and look for the devices tab or settings tab, and then once you click on it, you should be able to find the bind devices to experience more feature. Go ahead and click on it to pairable devices, give it permission to search for nearby devices, and as you can see, it is currently searching for smartwatches it can actually connect to. And at the top over here is the name of my Chinese smartwatch, which is the Fitpro Smartwatch over here. It is the Watch 8. I'll go ahead and select it, and now it is trying to connect. Just give it some few seconds, and once both devices are fully connected, you're good to go. You also want to make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth for the setup process to be complete. So you want to click on the got it button. You should be able to see a pop-up asking you to fully pair both devices via Bluetooth, but if you do not see it, go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone. Make sure you search for the name of your Chinese smartwatch one more time and also connect to it. So search for devices from the bottom over here. This is very necessary if you want to be able to make and receive calls from your Chinese smartwatch on your phone. And if you can't find the name of your Chinese smartwatch from over here, you can as well just go ahead and turn off your Bluetooth and then turn it on one more time. And now it is trying to pair. Click on pair both devices, and automatically, once both devices are connected via the Chinese smartwatch app and via Bluetooth, you should now be able to make and receive calls and even perform other interesting features from your Chinese smartwatch to your phone. So I can actually just make a call from over here. just to be sure that both devices are connected. And once I click on the call icon, you can literally see that I also make the call on my phone as well. Keep in mind, from your Chinese smartwatch app, you should now be able to perform certain tasks like being able to receive all of your social media messages and notifications. So once you click on the push notification or push message option over here, you should now be able to allow for messages and notifications for all of these applications that will be listed here. So you can get your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media messages and notifications once you toggle on this button for any of the applications. Also, if you want to change the wallpaper of your Chinese smartwatch, you can actually do that from the dial settings. You can literally find mine over here. From over here, you should now be able to set a custom wallpaper or change the wallpaper of your own Chinese smartwatch, and it is going to work perfectly well. As you can see, we have different smartwatch wallpaper we can actually set by default. Also, most of these smartwatches actually have the option to find your smartwatch wherever you misplace it. So once you click on the find option, your smartwatch will start to make a noise, enabling you to be able to find it wherever it is. Now that is basically all you have to know to set up and connect any Chinese watch to your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and for questions, please make sure you drop them in the comment section of this particular video.